It's James with NetNewsLedger. It is Friday, the 5th of March, and joining us by Zoom is Mayor Bill Mauro from Thunder Bay. Mayor, you've written a letter to the Solicitor General. What do our readers and viewers need to know?
Well, yeah, I think everybody may recall it's been quite some time since the medical officer of health, she declared two outbreaks. One in the correctional facilities, both of them, the DJ and the correctional center, and then subsequently declared an outbreak in the homeless population as well in the city of Thunder Bay. There clearly appears to be a connection between the numbers that we're seeing and those two outbreaks that the medical officer of health has announced. So I had talked about this previously with the Solicitor General, making sure she was aware, this is weeks and weeks ago, of the outbreak that was declared at our DJ and the correctional center. And so this is to confirm and see if there's anything that she has done or can do around the protocols on discharge to ensure as best she's able that when people are being discharged, they're not being discharged into a homeless situation where they may be COVID positive.
Now, yesterday on a call with the Solicitor General, that was one of the questions, and are they going to be investigating some of the outbreaks? And she wouldn't really answer the question. Do you think you're getting the answers and the information from the provincial government that you need?
Well, we'll find out, I guess. We did discuss it. The first time we discussed it, it was relatively a new situation. So I was just making sure that she was aware of the situation at that time. Clearly now there's been a number of weeks that have gone by. And so hopefully we'll see some response to this letter that will indicate to us as a community that they're doing everything that they can, everything that they're able to do within their authority to manage this situation.
Now, our numbers in Thunder Bay have been zooming, for lack of a better term. They've been increasing rapidly. We have had over 100 cases in the last 3 days. What needs to be done?
Well, that's part of the point of the letter, James, is that we're not saying that our numbers are only being driven by whatever is occurring within the correctional facilities in their discharge policy, but I think it's clear to most people that that is at least a significant part of what's going on. Part of my concern is that, the gray lockdown, given that our numbers are at least in part being driven by outbreaks in the vulnerable population, whether or not a lockdown will absolutely or necessarily achieve any positive result for the community. And so I need to hear from her, and I hope I do, that they're doing everything that they can on their end to manage that part of it, because ultimately, if the lockdown isn't proving to be successful, it may be other means or other options that we need to look at or other measures that need to be taken. And I think that this is clearly one of those measures.
Thank you. To keep up to date, you have to subscribe. You have to hit that like button and hit the notification to stay in touch.